Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the various types of Java program, BlueJ, and the Java character set, that is Unicode. Now starting with Java program. They are of two types, Internet Applet and standalone. Internet Applet are small programs which are embedded in the web pages. Whereas standalone systems are the software application that doesn't require low-level operating system. The execution of the standalone programs start from the main method. Next we come to BlueJ. Before starting with BlueJ, I need to clear a myth with you. There is a very common myth that BlueJ stands for Blue Java, but it is not the reality. BlueJ is named after a bird named Blue Jay. The name is Jay, but it is usually pronounced J. So from there it is derived Blue Jay. Now starting with BlueJ. BlueJ is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It means that any environment in which we can write and execute our programs. The basic features of BlueJ. First one is editor. It is used to edit our program. Second is debugger. Debugger means the tool which is used to trace the errors in our program. Characteristics of BlueJ. It provides a simple interface for beginners. It has easy interaction with objects and it is portable. That is, you can easily carry it with you in your pen drive, etc. The very advantage due to which BlueJ is used by most of the programmers that it can test a program without the main class. Test our program even without the main class. Next we come to the Java character set. Java character set is a set of characters that the Java compiler can recognize directly. Set of characters that are recognized directly by the Java compiler. The Java character set is Unicode. Total 65,536 characters, out of which the first 28 comes from ASCII character set. Next 128 come from the extended ASCII character set. 5,280 characters come from various languages, which gives us a total of 65,536 characters. Next, we have to look into the format of how to write the characters. The format is / followed by U and followed by 4 blank spaces. In these 4 blank spaces, we can write the hexadecimal code for the required characters. Few examples. For null character, the representation is for inverted commas, the representation is 00AE and many more. Next, we can learn how to create documentation in a file. For this, we can open the BlueJ, and from the toolbar we can open the tool function. In the submenu, we can select project documentation. And here we can create the required documentation. For creating jar files, from the toolbar we can select the export function. There we can select the project menu and click on the store as jar file option. Then in the dialog box we can enter the required name and press continue. The required jar file will be created.